welcome. If you came back, welcome. I'm going to do a paycheck budget for my second check of January. This check will be supporting me throughout the beginning half of February. So majority of February's bills up until the 15th, this is what this paycheck is going to be helping. Some may consider this a February budget, but some may not. I don't, because I got this paycheck for January, even though it supports February's. I am using a budget planner from Freeport Creation. This budget planner is a monthly budget planner, dated. It has paychecks, it has trackers, it has all the 9 yards. I am going to go to February. I have my calendar set out. We are going on vacation. I have my bills. So these are the things that I need to worry about, because this check is going to fund me until here, which is basically the start of my vacation. So whatever I need to have for vacation, I need to get it now, because vacation is coming real soon. This is for February, so I'm going to, let me use this. Oh, I'm using an iPad. I don't know which iPad I'm using, but it's neither old nor neither new. It's relatively medium, if that helps at all. So I'm going to color in January, and then this is paycheck 2 of January. For my income, this is my full-time. It's a full-time job. It's $18.66. I like to put a disclaimer that this is not the full amount that I'm getting. I do have automatic savings. I do have automatic payment, like things that come out. So this is not my full net income that I take home. Or is it gross income? One of the two. This is just after everything that I do off camera. This is what I take home, and this is what I have to budget, and this is what I have to live off of. So $18.66 is the total. Now, expenses are bills. So what are the bills that I have to pay? iCloud, which I do not want to have another iCloud bill. I cannot. I don't know what I'm paying for, because I doubt that I actually use iCloud. So Apple Music, $6. Storage unit is going to be $259. This is still a big goal. I do not want to have this storage unit by the end of summer. I think that's a good, reasonable time frame, the end of summer. Because I just cannot. It's too much money, and that money can definitely go to debt. Or just to fund life with all these things happening. The prices just keeps going up. So HP Ink. I have the basic plan because I don't print, but I also don't want to be looking for ink. So this is honestly out of convenience, but eventually I will have to up the price, because my goals for my business, I'm gonna need to be using that printer a lot. So right now it's at $5.43. My phone bill, I miss when it used to be $40, but now it's $99.60. It's so expensive. My car insurance is $241. It's not bad. I'm actually really not mad about my car insurance. It just keeps going up. Everything just keeps going up. Peacock, which is a subscription I would like to cancel, but we do use it, so I'm not too upset. It's $5.99 and it's not $10, so that's also a good thing. My pottery membership, is $80 a month. I'm currently backed up in the sense where I have more credits than I used. So I have 2 credits that I haven't used yet. So that's a month that I haven't went. And because I didn't use that, it's just laying over. So I'm trying to use that up because I don't want to have the credits sitting and then I end up forgetting that I didn't go that month. So that's $80. So it's $80. So it's 1 class a month at $80, and any other additional class will be for $80 compared to the going rate of pottery class. So I feel like it's a deal. I actually went recently and I made, oh Lord, what did I make? I really forgot what I made. Hold on. I think the goal when I wanted to make bowls. I want to get better at making bowls. So, I made a vase. Yes, I made a vase and I made a catch-all bowl. So it's really cute. Really, obviously the vase is upside down. So yes. Can't wait to see it dry. I'm going to glaze it. So I didn't color it while there. I think the next time I go, I'm going to make 2 more pieces and then use the extra month as a glazing session, if that makes sense. So Kindle Unlimited, I need to use this more often because I've been in my audiobook bag for a while. But I need to use Kindle Unlimited because I know some indie authors are coming out. And if I don't use it, I'm just gonna end up finding another way to support my indie authors. So ClassPass, that is coming out this month, this pay period. Ooh, that is $57.49 for, I think this is the cheapest package. Then we have daycare. $4.50. So this is my expense for this pay period. Apple Music, iCloud, Apple Music, storage unit, HP Ink, phone, Progressive, Peacock, pottery membership, Kindle Unlimited, ClassPass, daycare. So I already did the math just to save us some time. The total is $1,219.49, which gives me my leftover when I deduct my income and my expenses. That is 646. Ooh, stitch. 51. It's not 626, 6646, but it's close. Now we're diving into my cash envelopes. These are things that I use on the daily, things that I use in my day-to-day life. In this case, it's groceries and toiletries, so G and T. That I am budgeting $300. Me time. Why is it one word? Me time. I'm budgeting 0. Car gas. I'm covering 50, which I already did, so that's good. Eat out. I did 50, and I feel like I overseated the 50. 300 plus 100 is 400. 400 subtracted by 646 is 246.51. So now this amount is what I'm left for my sinking funds and any extra debt or extra savings I want to participate in. So my sinking funds, we're going to do travel, since we have a trip coming up, and I do need some things for my son, because it's the first time he has ever traveled or ever been in a plane before. So I gotta think about toys for the plane. I gotta think about transportation. Like, am I going to bring a stroller with us? I've seen people bring car seats, which I am just trying to figure out what's the logic for that. I mean, if you have brought a car seat or you know why people bring car seats on planes, let me know. But just like things like that. Like, I saw snack boxes that people use to like occupy the kids' time while on a plane. The plane is like, I want to say 3 to 4 hours. That's a long time. And I'm nervous to say the least. I might have to pop a melatonin for him. I don't know. Any tips on traveling with a toddler? Leave it down below. So couples goals. Things that I save up for us. I put 150. I know there's a reason why I put 150, and I don't really remember why. I don't remember why. So then we have self-care. That is $50. I know why I put self-care for $50, because this is what I'm going to be using for getting hair materials because I'm just not going to go to the Africans to get my hair braided. I am just going to ask my cousin and have her do the braids, because she did my braids for the Arizona trip I took. I'll put pictures in here. And she did a really, really good job. So I'm just gonna ask her to do maybe the same style or maybe something different. I haven't put in enough thought in it, and the trip is literally a week away. Girl, get it together. I got a lot of thinking to do after this. So yeah, I put this here so that I can just go to the beauty supply store, get some hair, and have her just do it for me. Because if I go to the Africans, that would be a total of, let's say, $300 to get knotless braids, when we can do it at home. And I'm honestly going to do a series on me doing my whole DIY maintenance for my travels, because I do not, as you can see though, the money is moneying in the wrong way. I need to figure out how to save money, and I think saving money for this trip is going to legit be doing my own maintenance that I can do. So like my eyebrows, she gonna get done. She is gonna get done, not by me, but she gonna get done. My hair, it's gonna be done by my cousin. It's gonna be more affordable. My nails is gonna be done by me. These are not the nails I'm gonna go to the trip on. I will get me some gel X and get those done. Toes, same. I will get those done. We'll figure it out. Lashes, I will definitely get those done. I know how to do those. I know how to do clusters. So it's just, I don't do it often, but I know how to do it. I am just going to quietly highlight the things that I want to pull out for cash, because we are a cash-based budget here. Sometimes. Sometimes. All right, so these are the two categories that I want to actually take out in cash. Everything else can stay in the account. When I come back from the trip, I think that's when I'm going to kick off my true stern cash-based budgeting. But right now, this is trip prep, and that's what it's gonna be. This is always gonna be in cash. I need this to make sure I don't go over the $50 budget. So yeah, that is basically it. I will see you in my next video.